Good evening, everyone. My name is Italo. Guedes. This is a partial product of the method which I am developing in Brazil with my advisor Max Andrade at the Federal University of Pernambuco, Brazil. Before starting the presentation, I would like to say that I am very happy and honored to be participating in this conference. I will follow the sequence present in this script. In Brazil, it's the second country in the world with the largest number of airports, thus the improvement of development and analysis process of airport project has enormous potential to further leverage investment in this sector. In the past, the design of an airport was designed specifically according to the requirements of the aircraft that would operate with given an airport with a required limit program of needs. Currently, as a result of several factors such as proximity to demand generation center, multifunctional services, the emergence of the new materials and good construction process, the emergence of new concepts made the design of an airport become a complex activity. The use of in the AEC industry is affected with the increasing maturity of users, new types of users of being explored among the concept. Below Suka defines the use of information in three categories: use of the model, use of documents, use of data. In the category of use of the model, there are three subcategories: general use, domain use, custom use. In the domain use subcategory, there is the series 4000, where it is possible to find the specified user for code check and validation. The expression code checking is one of several ways of using the BIM methodology. The term can be found in manuals around the world, such as Project Execution Plan Guide, National Guidelines for Digital Modeling, Statistics BIM Manual, among other documents. Based on solid estimate, the use of code check is comprised of four general classes of rules: the width, the classification of the rule, the grid, the amount of data assigned in the BIM model, as well as the grid, the complexity for creating the rules in the BIM analysis software. The methodological process of this research based on design science research. This research is currently step 1, construction of the artifact. We hope to be able to proceed to step 2 soon. I will present the preliminary results of this research. The figure present on this slide refers to the manual process of evaluation airport project in Brazil. The design develop the project and submit two-dimensional documentation to the team of analysts. In the process proposed by this research, the airport project model is developed by the team of designing BIM software and exported via IFC to the team of analysts. Proposed creation of an evaluation model that considers the human-machine interaction in the evaluation of project airports in Brazil. This model goes throughout an automatic verification process throughout the solid model check analysis software. After verification and the automatic technical monitoring report, it's generating indicate whether the project was approved or no. The figure on the left shows an example of a rule created and verified automatically in solid model checker. The rule refers to the minimal R for which are using in accessible background. The figure on the right side presents the analysis chart containing the minimum information necessary for the creation of this rule in the solid model checker. Once the properties and parameters necessary for the creation of the rule have been identified, it's possible to a conceptual structure throughout the 6 highlighted groups. When changing information from on the of groups, it's possible to obtain different results. Throughout the development of this article, the potential of this approach to analyze several project disciplines, create rules that analyze all the project parameters, such as success level, report certification, among others, has also observed. It was verified the possibility of replacing the group of analysis software of the conceptual structure with an artificial intelligence system, machine learning, enable new interaction between man and machine. These were the bibliographic references used. Finally, I would like to take the opportunity and congratulate everyone who is part of the organization of this conference. Thank you very much for attention.